Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Facebook Shop setup for Shopify product catalog, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Facebook Shop setup for your Shopify product catalog, begin by logging into your Shopify account. From your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu. Click on Sales Channels. Select the Facebook option from the list. If you haven't added Facebook as a sales channel yet, click Add Channel. Follow the prompts to connect your Facebook account. Once connected, you will see options for setting up Facebook Shop. Click on Settings to configure your Facebook Shop. Make sure your Facebook business account is properly linked. You may need to verify your business information if prompted. Next, go to the Product Catalog section. Choose the products you want to sell on Facebook. You can select specific collections or all available products. After selecting your products, click Publish. Your products will now be synced with your Facebook Shop. Next, head over to your Facebook Business Manager. Go to the Commerce Manager. Here, select the Data Sources tab, then click on Product Catalogs. Locate your Shopify product catalog from the list. Make sure it is active and properly linked to your Facebook Shop. Return to your Shopify dashboard and ensure all products meet Facebook's requirements. Check for compliance with Facebook's commerce policies. If necessary, adjust any product details that may violate these policies. Once everything is in order, revisit your Facebook Shop settings. Look for the option to manage your shop display settings. Customize how your products are shown on your Facebook Shop. After finalizing your display settings, publish the changes. Review your Facebook Shop to ensure everything is working as expected. Once confirmed, your Facebook Shop is now ready. You can start promoting your products through Facebook ads and posts. Keep an eye on performance metrics in both Shopify and Facebook Analytics. Regularly update your product listings as needed. This ensures your catalog remains fresh and engaging. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.